Hello and welcome to this video where I'll be showing you how to use Presenter View in PowerPoint. So firstly, if you're using a PowerPoint from Teams, you'll need to download this first by clicking the three dots and clicking download. Once you've got your PowerPoint up, you then click Slideshow. Then you need to check that the Use Presenter View box is ticked, and then you can play from beginning. So your students will see this main content, but on your desktop, you'll see the current slide, the next slide, and then any notes. And you just work your way through the presentation, and you'll see you can view the notes here. And then to end the presentation, you just click End Slideshow. And that's it. Thanks for watching.